and some of those are for entertainment. But ngayon guys, I'm going to share with you ang isa sa nabudol sa akin ng Shopee, which is magagamit ko naman po siya araw-araw, at ito po ay ang hair dryer. So ayan, super duper cute siya, and the color is pink, which is my favorite color. So ito siya guys, foldable siya, foldable yan. Sa lahat po ng hirap magtutuyo ng buhok, lalo na pag mahaba, makapal ang buhok, at saka pag hassle ka sa pagpasok sa work, kailangan mo nang matuyo agad yung hair mo, I highly recommend this Xiaomi Foldable Hair Dryer. You can buy this guys at Shopee, and I will put the link below or dito na lang. This is worth of 899 guys, so wala pa po yung shipping fee, but this is super duper worth it siya guys, kasi I love pink and ang ganda po niya talaga. Dito, foldable talaga siya, super duper cute. And guys, let's start!
All-Star.
Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy, and if you did, please subscribe, like, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any questions or any suggestions to my videos. Thank you, I love you, and see you in my next video.